Hello, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're gonna show you how to hard reset this smartwatch. If you have some, it's looking like that. And the thing is, if you have the smartphone, if you have connect with the new device, or you have some software issues with this smartwatch, you have to hard reset. So to do that, you have to slide up from here. No, from the upper side, like that. Then click here. I need to go back here. Oh, you're gonna see this menu. Yep. So you need to go the second option with this icon. Click on it. No, sorry, it's not that. This thing with the smartwatch logo. Yeah, that's it. And for now, you have to get the third option. Here is the factory reset, and you have to click on it. Click on yes, and that's the way it is. Now the smartphone is gonna start with a new brand firmware, and it's ready to be connected with your new device. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.